NMRA stock analysis and NMRA stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. The only person in the space that has actually done 41,000 videos like this is me. It's taken me 5 years, but at least I've seen and done the reps to see what's working for me and what's making me money. Everything is documented like no one else done it. And with Neumora Therapeutics, just consistent crashing in and out of nowhere, we started pimping up, right? It's just solid, you know. Maybe it's looking for a shift, but last thing that I'm going to do is just assume the things that are going to take the better turn here. All eyes open, man. I do also see like some sort of a supply zone. There's a lot of volume in here, so legend says that if there's a confirmation here and a sell side distribution, then pretty much my confirmation, last step of the process of getting inside a trade game, then I'm gonna sell. But guess what? This is not me coming here and saying I'm gonna sell, guys. No, first rules must be met. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month trading, click the first link in the description, get my free emails, and I'll continue to keep you updated.